Hi folks, it's time to explain a few things about tumbling. Actually, my tumbling. Anyway, this one you see has got 1 day left. This one has both of the kits and it's tumbling. It's got the glass in it. It'll be done tomorrow. So, we'll get a video tomorrow. Now, I'm wandering around my house because the other tumblers are back here. So you get to see all my lovely cement. Anyway, I spoke about the third tumbler this morning in my live stream. And the third tumbler had a blowout. That one happens to have all of my tiger's eye in it. And the issue we have discovered, and when I say we, I mean rock hounding huntress and myself, the issue we have discovered is that it is just too hot in Arizona for these tumblers to run during the summer. They're gonna blow up. Unfortunately for me, I do not have an inside location to put all of my tumblers. So the update is I will be putting the tiger's eye in the second tumbler tomorrow when that is finished. There's the first one, and I don't have anything running in it. That one's fine. It dried out for a whole week. It's fine. It works great. And the third one, or no, the second one, I'm getting myself confused. Do you hear that? The second one, the second one is on the kit. The third one's right there. It should be all cleaned out and dried out by now from the explosion that was that lovely gold color of the tiger's eye. So I just thought I would give everybody an update, let you know what's going on with the tumbler situation at the cactus house. And after the tiger's eye is done, I'm going to not tumble for pretty much a good portion of the summer unless I can figure out a different way, like a container that would keep them cool. I don't even know what that would look like. Now these other two tumblers have covers, plastic covers that go over them, and I'm going to leave them off. And I think that might help with the heat issue. I really do. I think that will help with the heat issue. So, little update on the tumblers, on the kit, on the tiger's eye, and we're not touching the chrysocolla for a little while. Okay? Yeah, just gonna have to do things a little bit differently because of the Arizona heat. It is what it is. It's okay. We just stagger everything. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your continued support to the Cactus channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.